Hi guys, it's me, Cigar. Welcome to my channel. In this lesson, you will get to know the author of Godot, a very impressive game engine. What could be of your interest? This lesson is ideal for new developers. Let's start. First of all, I would like to present you the official page. In the Google search engine, type the word Godot. On this page, you can know all the features that this video game engine can offer you. If you have never heard of this engine, I invite you to check this page. One of the great advantages of this engine is its light size. To download it, go to where it says download. Depending on the operating system you are using, you can choose between Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. The standard version uses Godot as the main programming language. Godot has a syntax very similar to the Python language that brings a great benefit when writing code. The mono version uses C# as the main programming language. So, download it, Godot. Based on your operating system, also considering if it's 32 or 64-bit, by clicking on one of these options. Once downloaded, Unzip on this engine will be ready to use. Now, I'm ready to load the game engine. This is the list of projects. To create a new project, click on New Project. Select a save path for your project by clicking Browse. Then click where it says select this folder. Now, define the name of your project. For this example, just write introduction. Press create folder, create an area. First of all, it's important to know the most important parts of this editor. In the central area is the viewport. This will be your workspace. In this section is the scene tree. In this section is the file system. And in this section is the inspector. In the scene tree, we will be adding nodes to get the functionality we need. A scene could be something as small as a weapon, or it could be something as large as an open world. A scene can contain multiple scenes. This is known as instantiating a scene. To add a node is done by pressing this button or by pressing the shortcut Ctrl-E. Each node has a brief description. This way, you can give yourself an idea what it could be used for. It is important to know that the vast majority of nodes they inherit from one node. A node that inherits from another node. It contains the attributes and methods that node has. A node is considered as a class. For example, node 2D inherited from canvas item. Canvas item inherited from node. And as you can see, the node it is the base class for all scene objects. In the file system, all the files of your project will be shown. Obviously, when creating a video game, you will need various resources such as sounds, sprites, scripts, to name a few. The res folder refers to the resources of the current project. If you wanted to change the visual aspect of the editor, you have to press Edit Settings, Theme, and select some preset. Or you could select Custom option, applying some settings. When you want to make a 2D scene, Node 2D node is used. This is a quick access to create this type of node. So click here. As you can see, a node of type Node2D has been created. In the inspector, you can apply various settings linked to this node. Each node has different sections and properties, which will be displayed in the inspector. For example, display the transform section. In this section, you can apply changes to the properties of position, rotation, degrees, or scale. Since Node2D inherits from canvas item and canvas item inherits from node, we can access its properties. When the project is run through one of these buttons, in the output section, in case there are some errors messages, will appear in this place. You can also print messages. We will see that in another lesson. At the time of writing code, you will be located in the script section. That would be it for this first lesson. Let's save this scene. Click on Scene. Save scene. And save. In a future lesson, we will use this project. It's optional. Thanks for watching. If you like this lesson, I invite you to subscribe. See you guys.